Hello, welcome to Engaging with Nature, the indoor series. And today we are smudging with herbs. So continuation from my video. I like to begin with the selenite stick, and here I have also our trademark charmed messages on a string that can be repurposed as a necklace or a bracelet, or just keep it on the smudging herbs. So I also have here the lavender. I like to start with the selenite and just kind of soothe it over. Well, that actually already gives an excellent sensation of just relaxation and peace, and just do that all over the head to begin with. That's what I like to do first. And then I actually already prepared some beautiful little smudging sets here, and each one with our trademark of believe or hope. This one has the hope and love. So let us begin. Here I have also the traditional feather and the albun here, shell. Okay, so going to start. I'm going to start actually with a little bit of eucalyptus. Of course, a ventilated area, just be careful with all of that. Love the way the eucalyptus smells, and the eucalyptus is just so refreshing and soothing. Actually, you have everything here. So, decongestant, protection, health boosting, energizing, and cleansing. So we'll put that aside, and next I will continue, and I'm going to go ahead with the rosemary. This is happens to be actually fresh rosemary. It's not dried, so it might be a little more difficult to get that burning, but hey, it seems to be working just fine. Of course, you got to be careful when you're doing this. I'm doing this here on this whole setup that I got going on here. Wow, that's actually really nice. Oh, and rosemary is actually supposed to also soothing, encourages a sense of peace within your environment, removes negative energy, and it's ideal with sage. Okay, so that's really nice. So even if we wanted to, we could have that little combination. And then we have the Palo Santo. That actually looks really pretty as well. So I'm going to place that on our stone that we have here, and I'll show that to you in a minute. Next up is the bay leaf. I really love the benefits of the bay leaf, and this smells amazing too. Oh, that's nice. Now the bay leaf is mood booster, protection, healing. Oh, I need a lot of that. Calming, anxiety reducer, enhanced success. Oh, I think I need to burn this 24/7. And then we have some of the crystals together. That's just so beautiful. Meanwhile, during our workshops or blending bars, we're going to place everything inside here, so you can have your own ready-to-make smudge kit at home, and then have the little string. Choose any of our charms. So then here we have the hope, believe, or the love. Oh, right? Yep. Oh, that's hope. Hope, love, they look pretty similar. And believe. And here actually in the jar, this is my nature jar. Everything that you can find actually outdoors. Well, of course you don't take anything just from the ground, but so like fallen pine, pine leaves. I have some stones and a few things that I purchased, but this is kind of like nature in a jar, just to remind ourselves to respect, protect, and enjoy nature at all times. Same thing with our smudging in a jar kit that we'll put some awesome things in here. I have some of the yellow roses. I actually have something that prepared here with some sage roses and some lavender as well. And now I'm gonna burn the lavender. Oh, I love lavender. Let's do that. Check out that. Oh, that's already on my selenite stick. Oh, that's really good. Love that. All right, so we're going to put everything here together. I'll show that to you right here. So we have here in the shell, I also have a stone that I have from Montauk. Can you see that? Yeah. And that's the eucalyptus, the lavender. Of course, you can create a bundle like over here, but otherwise that is sufficient. So let that just burn, of course, in a ventilated, safe area. Yeah, let's just. And after, I love to just give myself little spritz from the essential oils that I made as well. Have some crystals in there. For a real total refresh. God, that smells awesome. Can't remember what I put in there, but it's definitely lavender. So join me engaging with nature daily for some inspiration to always surround yourself in nature.